This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the right turn from Liverton to Ashburton, which is your fourth exit. Remember, from this direction there are no traffic lights on the approach, so you will need to give way to traffic on your right. As we approach the roundabout, we can see a sign coming up on the left. There are no exits on there for Ashburton, but we'll position in the right hand lane. There are give way markings. We need to wait for any vehicles on the right, and when it's safe to go, we'll move into the right hand lane on the roundabout. Liverton is quite a minor exit, so it's not very well signposted. So coming from Liverton, we're going to continue in the right hand lane. We're just approaching the second exit here, so we'll continue in the right hand lane as we go round the roundabout. Newton Abbot will be your third exit. We can now see Plymouth A38 South written on the floor for this lane, so we know that we're in the correct place. The Newton Abbot lane on your left will exit the roundabout, so we will then be in the left lane on the roundabout. So checking middle and left side in particular as we come around there. We're now going to be exiting the roundabout, so we're in the left hand lane. Just need to make sure that the yellow box is clear, and then we can safely get off the roundabout. We must never stop on a yellow box on the roundabout. If we can't go, we need to stay behind the traffic light line. It's quite common to get stopped at the traffic lights as you come round, so always keep an eye on those. So we're coming off, keeping well over to the left lane here as we come onto the slip road. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?